This is a review of the LED license plate bulbs for the 2010 to 2014 Mustang that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys everything about these LED license plate bulbs. So my factory LED bulbs went out and they were very awful as well too. They were very bad. Pretty much you couldn't even see the license plate, and you guys know cops, they really look at that stuff and you could get pulled over if they do not see your license plate, the number. So I upgraded to these 6K LED white ones that you're going to see right over here. How beautiful. You can see the garage, it lights up the entire garage, and it changed up the whole appearance to my car as well too. I would definitely recommend these license plate bulbs if you're pretty much you can see how bright they are right over here. 6K LED white looks absolutely beautiful. The old ones I had, you couldn't, it wasn't nowhere near as bright as these are. You can see the entire garage is lit as well too, and during the daytime it's extremely bright as well too. So when you turn it on, it's extremely bright. But yeah, if you're looking for some LED license plate bulbs for your Mustang or any series Mustang you own, 2010, 2014, or 2015 or up, then these ones are by far one of the best ones to get because of the fact they're extremely bright, and it was very also easy to install as well too, and it was user friendly. It wasn't not too difficult. All you do is pop up the backing underneath it with a pretty much a flathead, and then pretty much from there it pops out. You just put the other one in, and this was a very easy plug and play. So yeah, if you're looking for some license plate LED bulbs, then these ones are probably one of the best ones because of the fact of how bright they are, and it changed the entire appearance to my Mustang.